Hello and welcome back to Senior Health Secrets. Folks, here's a critical truth about getting older. While you're sleeping, your physical strength is silently draining away. If you don't fuel your body correctly before bed, your precious muscle tissue takes a major hit. Statistics confirm that once we hit our 60s, we see a dramatic reduction in muscle density, up to 8% every 10 years. And guess when most of this deterioration occurs? Not during your workout, but during those hours of overnight rest. A leading analysis published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed this alarming cycle. After age 60, your body accelerates the process of breaking down muscle. This is especially true during long periods without nutrients, like the 8 hours you fast while sleeping. Here's the concerning part. If you do nothing, your body will have already broken down a small fraction of muscle by the time this video finishes. But you have the power to stop this nightly decline. The solution isn't some expensive pill or complex supplement plan. It's simply smart nutrition. Real, accessible food that you can eat tonight to trigger muscle repair and halt the toll aging takes on your body. Today, we are ranking the top 8 bedtime foods for seniors. We're starting with number 8 and counting down to the undisputed champion. A brand new 2024 investigation found our top food caused a staggering 22% jump in overnight muscle protein repair. That happened even without the subjects lifting weights. Yet almost no one over 60 knows this trick. We want to hear from you. Let us know your age and where you're tuning in from today. Drop a comment below. Stay tuned because the number 1 food on this list is truly a game changer for maintaining mobility and vigor. Number 8. Warm milk with turmeric. Drinking warm milk before bed is more than just a soothing habit. It becomes a muscle defense tactic when prepared the right way. Milk is a wonderful source of casein protein, calcium, and tryptophan. These nutrients work together to support deeper sleep and overnight recovery. But the real magic happens when you add turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful component that dramatically lowers full-body inflammation. High inflammation speeds up muscle breakdown. A 2022 paper in Nutritional Neuroscience showed that older adults who drank a protein-rich beverage before sleep, specifically with added curcumin, saw a 32% increase in their overnight muscle repair activities. They also felt less stiffness and joint pain when they woke up. To make this recovery elixir, warm 1 cup of milk. Organic cow's milk is often best for digestion. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper. The pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin. You can add a small drop of honey for taste, but keep the sugar minimal. Sip this slowly about 30 minutes before turning in. If dairy is a problem, use a fortified almond or oat milk that provides added protein and calcium. However, traditional dairy has the strongest proven effect on muscle preservation. This golden drink doesn't just nourish you, it calms your nerves, primes your hormones, and supplies the building blocks your muscles need to rebuild while you rest. Number 7. Almond butter. Almond butter might look like a simple spread, but inside this creamy texture is a potent combination. It offers protein, magnesium, and healthy fats. This trio is designed to help you sleep deeper and support better physical recovery. The key benefit here is almond butter's long, slow release of energy. Unlike sweet snacks that cause a sugar crash, almond butter provides steady fuel throughout the entire night. In a 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients, older participants who ate almond-based fats before bedtime showed a 17% better ability to preserve lean mass overnight. This is a critical marker of strength retention. They also exhibited lower levels of cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone that actively breaks down muscle while you're trying to sleep. For optimal results, enjoy 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter roughly 30 minutes before bed. Spread it on a small piece of whole grain toast or eat it straight off the spoon. Make sure you avoid the processed brands that hide added sugar or cheap oils. Choose the natural kind that separates slightly in the jar. Thanks to the magnesium, almond butter also works wonders to relax your nervous system. This makes it a smart choice for seniors who struggle with restless legs or choppy sleep cycles. It's simple, but one spoonful can drastically change how energized you feel the next morning. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese may seem like a vintage classic, but for seniors fighting the nightly strength decline, it is an absolute powerhouse. What makes it unique is casein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over 6 to 8 hours. This is vital because, during sleep, your body enters a catabolic state where muscle breakdown accelerates. Cottage cheese essentially plugs that leak. It provides a steady, reliable stream of recovery fuel while you rest. Research in the British Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed 30 grams of casein protein right before bed saw a 31% boost in overnight muscle repair activity. That means you are not just maintaining muscle, you are making progress while you sleep. For maximum benefit, eat half a cup of plain, low-fat cottage cheese between 30 and 60 minutes before lights out. If you need flavor, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few banana slices. The natural sugars here won't spike your blood sugar. Many seniors also report improved sleep quality due to the tryptophan content. This amino acid naturally calms the brain. If you've been waking up stiff, sore, or feeling slower than usual, this often forgotten food could be your first step back to strength. Number 5. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are convenient, easy to digest, and packed with everything your aging muscles demand, especially before bedtime. Every egg gives you around 6 grams of complete protein. More importantly, it provides a key amino acid called leucine. Leucine is the ignition switch that tells your body to start building muscle. This food is incredibly effective at night because of its bioavailability. Your body can absorb its nutrients efficiently, even if your digestive system has slowed down with age. In fact, a 2021 study in Nutrients showed that seniors who ate whole eggs before sleep preserved 19% more muscle mass over 12 weeks compared to those who skipped the snack. The same study noted increased levels of IGF-1, a crucial hormone for tissue upkeep and recovery. This translates into significantly less morning soreness, improved strength over time, and a noticeable difference in how you feel stepping out of bed. The perfect serving is 1 or 2 eggs about 30 minutes before sleep. Add a little turmeric and black pepper for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. If you need a touch more substance, a few slices of avocado deliver healthy fats without disrupting your rest. When you eat matters just as much as what you eat. Hard-boiled eggs offer clean, powerful nutrients exactly when your body needs them. Number 4. Tuna and olive oil. Tuna might seem like strictly a lunch item, but when strategically paired with olive oil, it becomes a powerful nighttime muscle-protecting weapon. This combination provides not only lean, high-quality protein, but also essential omega-3 fatty acids. Both are crucial for muscle construction and for reducing inflammation that stalls recovery. A 2020 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed a protein and omega-3 rich food before bed, like tuna and olive oil, experienced a 34% heightened response in muscle construction overnight. What makes the olive oil essential is how it slightly slows down digestion. This ensures amino acids are released gradually. It also helps your body absorb vital fat-soluble nutrients like vitamin D, which is essential for strength and bone health. Before bed, scoop half a can of tuna packed in olive oil and eat it plain or alongside a few whole-grain crackers. A squeeze of lemon or a dash of sea salt can add flavor without causing discomfort. Skip the mayo or heavy sauces. They slow down digestion in a way that is counterproductive. Tuna is also one of the best available sources of leucine. Your body needs this signal to grow, and tuna provides that signal and keeps it active for hours. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt may seem ordinary, but it's a scientifically validated bedtime recovery tool. It's thick, incredibly rich in casein protein, and provides a continuous amino acid drip for up to 7 hours after consumption. In a clinical trial published in Frontiers in Nutrition, older adults who ate high-protein Greek yogurt before bed showed a 26% increase in muscle synthesis. They also reported feeling better energy output the next day. This benefit comes from improved mitochondrial performance, the tiny energy factories inside your muscle tissue. To benefit fully, enjoy half a cup of plain Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before sleep. Always avoid the sweetened versions. That sugar can interfere with recovery. If you need flavor, mix in a little cinnamon or a few fresh berries. Adding a teaspoon of chia seeds delivers extra omega-3s and fiber. Greek yogurt also supplies calcium, a critical mineral for proper muscle contraction and nerve signaling. And don't overlook the probiotics. A healthy gut is directly linked to how effectively your muscles absorb and utilize protein. If you are finding these insights helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Senior Health Secrets. We specialize in delivering clear, research-backed advice for seniors who want to maintain their independence and zest for life after 60. Now back to our countdown. Number 2. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice might look like another trendy health drink, but for seniors, it is one of the most effective natural options. It's proven to boost muscle repair, reduce morning soreness, and significantly improve sleep quality. The secret ingredient is anthocyanins. These are powerful antioxidants that act as cellular cleanup crews. They reduce oxidative stress and actively help repair damaged muscle tissue. As we age, our bodies struggle to clear out this cellular waste. That buildup often leaves muscles feeling weak and inflamed by morning. Tart cherry juice helps stop that cycle. A 2019 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults over 50 who drank tart cherry juice before bed reported notably less discomfort, up to 33% less soreness, and a 15% measurable improvement in sleep quality. The juice also naturally contains melatonin. This promotes the deep, restorative sleep necessary for peak muscle recovery. For the best outcomes, drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% tart cherry juice about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Absolutely avoid blends or sweetened versions. You want pure tart cherry extract without unnecessary sugar. If the taste is too intense, dilute it slightly with water. This juice doesn't just help you sleep better, it actively repairs muscles, supports joint function, and lowers the cortisol levels that can break down your strength. Topping our list is the one food backed by the most extensive research for stopping strength decline after 60, a high-quality whey protein shake. Whey protein is fast-absorbing, packed with essential amino acids, and loaded with leucine. Leucine is the master signal that tells your body it's time to build. As we age, our bodies develop a condition called anabolic resistance. This means we become less responsive to smaller protein doses. This makes it challenging to maintain strength even if you're eating enough throughout the day. Whey protein blasts through that resistance. It supercharges overnight recovery even if you skip the evening workout. A 2021 clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tested a 40-gram whey protein shake before bed in seniors over 60. The results were astonishing. A 22% spike in overnight muscle construction, reduced muscle breakdown, and better outcomes in strength and balance in just a few weeks. To get the most benefit, mix 1 scoop of whey isolate powder with water or unsweetened almond milk 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Stick to pure whey isolate and avoid blends with high added sugar or mass gainers. These can interfere with quality sleep. If you are lactose sensitive, choose whey isolate. If digestion is a major concern, opt for hydrolyzed whey. These forms are easier on the stomach but still pack the same muscle-saving punch. This simple shake doesn't just nourish your body, it primes your hormones, protects your tissue, and gives you a real shot at waking up stronger, not weaker. For any senior serious about keeping their balance, strength, and mobility, this is the one tool that cannot be overlooked. So, now you know the truth. Your muscles aren't just fading during the day, they are disappearing quietly every night. But the good news is, every single one of these bedtime foods is a science-backed tool that helps your body recover, preserve strength, and protect your independence, starting tonight. Whether it's a spoon of almond butter, a strategic glass of milk, or a simple protein shake, what you give your body before bed directly shapes how strong you feel when you wake up. Tell us in the comments which food you are going to try tonight. And if you want more powerful, science-based health tips made specifically for seniors, make sure to subscribe to Senior Health Secrets. Hit the like button and turn on notifications. You are not too old to get stronger, not even close. Let's rebuild your strength one night at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.